Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Today I am going to teach value education for you. Today I am going to teach value education. Take lesson number 3. The name of the lesson is My Country, India. So our country is India. Our country name is India. See the spelling for India. I-N-D-I-A, India. So I have to begin with capital letter because it is a proper noun. You have to begin with capital letter. My country, India. Our country name is India. So in this lesson we are going to learn some important things about our country, India. We all live in India. We all live in the country of India. See the spelling for India? I-N-D-I-A. Our country name is India. We all are Indians. We all are Indians because we all live in India. That is why we are all Indians. We love and respect our country. So we have to love and give respect to our country of India. We love and respect our country. India is a diverse country. So it is a diverse country. India is a big country with different people. So India is a big country with different types of people and different religions. So India is a big country with different type of people and different types of religions. In India, a number of languages are spoken. So in India, there are more number of languages are spoken. For example, Tamil, English, Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu, and so on. So in India, a number of languages are spoken by different types of people in different states. People have different food habits. So people have different food habits according to their state. And they wear different types of clothes. And people wear different types of clothes according to their living. So let us see some beautiful monuments in India. First one is Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Charminar, Gateway of India. So these are all monuments in India. So these are all beautiful monuments in India. So our capital is New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. So see the spelling for New Delhi. N-E-W-D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. New Delhi is the capital state of our country, India. So let us see our national flag, national anthem, national animal, national bird and national flower of India. Let us see the importance of flag, national flag and anthem, animal, bird and flower.
First, we will learn about India. India is our country. Repeat after me, children. India is our country. Tell me the spelling for India. Yes, very good. I-N-D-I-A, India. India is our country. In India, people of different religious, languages and races live together. So in our country, different types of people live together in the same country. Second point, the national symbol of a country represents the identity of the country. So the national symbol represents the identity of the country. Now we will learn about the national symbols of our country. Our country is India. So now we will learn about the India's national symbols. So first we will learn about our national flag. See the national flag, children. The flag stands for a free country. So this flag stands for a free country. India is a free country. The Indian national flag is also called Tiranga. So this Indian national flag is also called as Tiranga. It is a horizontal rectangular tricolor. Tricolor means three color, which is divided into three equal portions. So the flag is divided into three equal portions. First portion, deep saffron. Saffron means kesari at the top. So at the top of the flag, deep saffron color, white in the middle. So in the middle of the flag, white color and dark green at the bottom. See the flag at the bottom, dark green. Top, deep saffron, middle, white color, bottom, dark green. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel, chakra, with 24 spokes. It is known as Ashoka Chakra. See the flag? In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel. It is also called chakra with 24 spokes. At the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel. See the wheel, children? So this wheel has 24 spokes. It is also known as Ashoka Chakra. So our Indian national flag divided into three equal portions. First one is, first at the top, Cassidy color or saffron color. In the middle, white color. At the bottom, very good, dark green. So in the middle, white band with navy blue wheel. It is also called as Ashoka Chakra. So this wheel has 24 spokes. Next we will learn about our national song. Next we will learn about our national song. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. See children, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. This national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. So Jana Gana Mana was written by the famous writer Rabindranath Tagore. Next, our national song is Vande Mataram. So our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our national song is Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in Bengali language and Sanskrit. In which year? In 1882. So our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, which was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national song is Vande Mataram, which was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1882. Bengali language and Sanskrit language, which was written by Bengali language and Sanskrit language. Next we will learn about our national animal. Our national animal is, see the picture, Bengal tiger. Our national animal is Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is our national animal. It stands for power, strength and agility. So the Bengal tiger stands for its power, its strength and agility. Agility means the movement of or the power of moving quickly. So the Bengal tiger move very fast, move very quickly. That is why it stands for the national animal. It is also displays India's rich wildlife. So the Bengal tiger is also displays India's rich wildlife. So our national animal is Bengal tiger. Why it is a national animal? It stands for its power, strength and agility. Agility means moving quickly, the power of moving quickly. That is why Bengal tiger is our national animal. Repeat after me, children. Our national animal is Bengal tiger. Now we will learn about our national bird. See children, our national bird is peacock. Tell me the spelling for peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Our national bird is peacock. The peacock was declared as the national bird of India in 1963. So in 1963, peacock was declared as the national bird of India. It stands for grace and beauty. Why it is our national bird? So it stands for its grace and beauty. The peacock stands for its grace and beauty. Tell me children, what is our national bird? Our national bird is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now we will learn about our national flower. Our national flower is lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. The lotus is our national flower. See the picture. The lotus is our national flower. It is a mark of Indian culture. So lotus is a mark of Indian culture and it stands for purity of art. So the lotus stands for purity of art and mind. So it stands for the purity of art and mind of the Indian. So it stands for the purity of art and mind of the Indian. So this lotus is mark of Indian culture. Our national flower is lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Tell me children, our national flower is lotus. Now we will learn about our national tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The banyan tree is our national tree. It stands for huge structure and its deep root. So it stands for its huge structure. See the picture? And its deep root. So that is why it stands for our national tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. It stands for its huge structure and its deep root. Children, what is our national tree? Very good. Banyan tree is our national tree. Next, our national fruit. Our national fruit is mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. The mango is the national fruit of India. The mango is the national fruit of India. Mangoes are native to India and thus truly Indian. So, this mango is native to India. So, these mangoes are cultivated in our India. Thus, it's truly Indian fruit. Mango is truly Indian fruit. That is why it is our national fruit. Mango is our national fruit. Now we will learn about our national game. Our national game is hockey. H-O-C-K-Y. Hockey. Hockey was considered as the national game because of its unmatched distinction and incomparable talent at the time. At the time, India had played 24 Olympics matches and won all of them. So, India won 24 Olympic matches in hockey. That is why it is our national game. Our national game is hockey. So, India won 24 Olympic matches. At the time, it was incomparable and unmatched distinction talent at the time. So, that is why it is called as our national game. Our national game is hockey. Next, we will learn about our national emblem. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is our national emblem. Look at the picture, children. This is our national emblem. The lion capital of Ashoka at Sarnath is our national emblem. Now we will see the exercise. First one, Let us test our knowledge about our national symbols. First question. The wheel at the center of our national flag is called the Ashoka Chakra. How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have? A 22, B 20, C 24. Which one is correct? Very good. C is correct. Ashoka Chakra have 24 spokes. Next question. The national anthem of India, Janagana Mana, was first written in Bengali. Tell me, true or false? Very good. It was written in Bengali. So it is true. Option A is correct. Third one. Which of these is the national flower of India? Option A, lotus. Option B, rose. Option C, jasmine. Tell me children, which one is correct? Lotus is our national flower. Option A is correct. Fourth question, identify the Indian rupee symbol. Identify the Indian rupee symbol, children. Which one is correct? Option A, B, C. Very good. B1 is correct. Fifth one, the national flag of India has 3 colors. So our national flag has 3 colors. First one saffron, second one white, and the third one green. At the top of the flag, saffron color, in the middle white, and the bottom of the flag green color. Which color is the bottom of the flag? Green, saffron, white. Which one is correct? Very good. A is correct. Green is at the bottom of the flag. Next exercise, find me. Find the national symbols in the picture given below. See the picture, children. First one is national tree. Our national tree is banyan tree. Next one is our national flag. Our national flag is divided into 3 portions. At the top of the flag, saffron color. In the middle, white color. At the bottom, green color. So next one, our national fruit. Our national fruit is mango. Next, our national flower. Our national flower is lotus.